How was the 2 days workshop? You traveled all the way from Pune.
It was amazing, and I never expected that this kind of experience I'll be having.
How old are you, sir?
My age is, I born 1968.
Okay.
Okay. It is almost around 56 running.
Great, great.
And I thought to get trained for this thing when I saw during some functions, some events with R.R. Ravi Shankar, wherein he told only 13 years and 14 years students can be done, or only young can be done. That time I got very, very much disappointed, and I left that event. How he can say that this like this? Then I after that I kept quiet. But this anyway universe made me to connect with you through our some events, and how I drop into this place to understand. I was very much curious. Even I told one of my friend, he was, how crazy you are. I said I want to acquire that skill so that I can read Sanskrit, expedite my Sanskrit ability. And even though I was a student till 10th as a Sanskrit student, I want to spread Bhagavad Gita's message to the whole world dedicatedly. And initially I will work for 5 years only. After that I'll be dedicating to that only. And
how was your experience in these 2 days?
2 days I never expected that I'll be able to do exercise and whether my sight is that much good or not. But yes, I'm confident that with 1 month practice I'll be able to fully explore the possibilities.
You are able to find out the colors.
Yes, I was. It was a surprise for me. Just only touching and smelling or making sound, this thing, the intuitions are automatically coming that color. Whether images are not coming, but colors are. Intuition is from inside. It is coming. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what kind of experience you had in these 2 days?
I felt very. I'm enjoying my childhood. I'm enjoying my childhood, and this amazing can be spread across the world. I'm interested to work with you.
How is your state of mind now?
Very, very calm, cool, peaceful, and possibility. I'm thinking possibilities. No negative crossing.